Khloe Kardashian, one of the famous reality star in the world, an entrepreneur, model and socialite. Khloe is one of the Kardashian family members who star in Keeping Up with the Kardashian reality television series. Recently, Khloe has been on news headlines because she and Travis Scott are expecting a mini Khloe. Early life. Khloe Alexandra Kardashian is their born among the 4 children of Robert and Kris. She was born in 1984 in the state of California. She went to school at Marymount High School but did not complete it, citing lack of friends and a sense of belonging. She enrolled for a home-based school where she earned her GED with honors. Personal life. Khloe was once the wife of Lamar Odom, an NBA basketball player. She was married in 2009 September, but they divorced in 2016. Khloe Kardashian and Tristan Thompson started dating in 2016. Unlikely, but it is tough to now for a cartoon with these two. Since they began dating in 2016, they have been through multiple highly publicized breakups. Khloe Kardashian gave birth to her first child, True Thompson, on April 12, 2018. Khloe gave birth to baby girl around 4 a.m. East on April 12, 2018. 4 days after she gave birth to the baby girl, Khloe revealed her baby name, True Thompson, in an Instagram post. True Thompson is currently 3 years old as of October 2021. Age, height and weight. Being born on 27 June 1984, Khloe Kardashian is 37 years old as of today's date, 31st October 2021. Her height is 1.77 meter tall and her weight is 76 kg in kilograms. Career. Khloe's career kicked off when she and her mother, her stepfather Bruce Kendall, Courtney, Kim and Rob decided to star in their reality television series Keeping Up with the Kardashians. They decided that was a right time, capitalizing on Kim's sex tape leakage, which gathered a lot of public interest. She has started in Keeping Up with the Kardashian TV series. In it is a 174 episodes. She also starred in It is a Span of Courtney and Khloe Take Miami series, which debuted in 2009. She also made some appearances in Courtney and Kim Take New York 2011, Chloe and Lamar 2011 for 20 episodes. In addition, Courtney and Chloe took the Hamptons in 2014. Awards and achievement. Khloe Kardashian has not been awarded some accolades yet, but she can be termed in the category of people we call famous of being famous. Net worth and salary of Khloe Kardashian in 2021. As of October 2021, Khloe Kardashian's net worth currently stands at $45 million. The youngest of the Kardashian sisters have bullet the bulk of her net worth through keeping up with the Kardashian television series and other television appearances. Apparently, each cast member of the show earned around $75,000 per episode. Another of Khloe's wealth stream in endorsement deals, especially on her social media platforms. Some of the companies that have paid hefty endorsements checks to her Cabela, Coca-Cola, Sears, Fit Tea, among others. Khloe's third net worth booster income stream in her business venture since she owns several clothing lines, signature perfumes, among other businesses. 37 years old Mama Khloe Kardashian is one of the highest earning reality television stars in the world of today. For more, just tune on her reality show.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind